asked again the manager the same question, how much are you demanding me? So they told him the amount, and he started arguing to see exactly what happened. So the police officer is on the run, but Uganda is very small when you have committed a crime. Anytime he will be got. So it was an unfortunate incident that officer of that caliber did what he did. Instead of resolving the thing amicably and seeing a way forward, the way his bank had agreed to buy off this. Now there we don't know what happened.
Who was that person who died? Who was he?
Who was
killed? In terms of the financial institution? Was he a manager?
He was the director and at the same time manager of the manager of TFS Financial Services, trying to get the calculation of his loan. How much are they demanding him?
Loan amount was as per the interview of